Hello everyone. Now that we all have learnt the concept of factors and multiples, today we are going to understand how to find common factors and greatest common factor of the given set of numbers. So without wasting any time, let's start with exercise 7.3 question number 1. In the first question, we have to find common factors and greatest common factor of 12 and 16. So first, we'll write all the factors of both of these numbers. So we know that the smallest factor of all the numbers is 1. So first factor of 12 will be 1, then 2 6 are 12. So we'll write 2 and 6 as well. Then 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 will also be written. Now 12 doesn't appear in the table of 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these will not be the factors of 12, and the greatest factor of any number is the number itself. So the greatest and the last factor of 12 is 12 only. Similarly, we will write the factors of 16 also. The factors of 16 will be 1 16s are 16, so 1 we will write, 2 8s are 16, so 2 and 8, 4 4s are 16, so 4 will be the factor of 16, and the last factor will be the number itself, that is 16. Now after writing all the factors of both of these numbers, we will try to find the common factors of 12 and 16. The factors which are common in both of these numbers. So we can notice that 1, 2 and 4 are the factors of both 12 and 16. So the common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4, out of which 4 is the greatest common factor. So it is very simple. In this way we learnt how to find common factors and the greatest common factor of any given set of number. Here two numbers are given. Even if 3 or 4 set of numbers are given, still you have to follow the same procedure. You have to write all the factors of the given numbers, and then you have to find common factor which are appearing as factors in all the numbers. Those will be the common factors, and out of those common factors, whichever will be the greatest factor, that will become the greatest common factor. Let's move on to question number 2. 9 and 15. So first factor of both the numbers will be 1, because we know smallest factor of any number is 1. Then 3 3s are 9. So 3 will be the factor of 9, and then because 9 doesn't appear in the table of rest of the numbers, so in the end we will write the number itself, that is 9. So 1, 3 and 9 are the factors of 9. Similarly for 15, 1, 15s are 15, so 1 and 15, 3 5s are 15, so 3 and 5. So these are the factors of 15. Now you can see that 1 and 3 are the common factors of 9 and 15. Now out of 1 and 3, 3 is the greatest common factor of 9 and 15. So in this way we found out the common factor and the greatest common factor of 9 and 15. Similarly for question number 3, first let's write the factors of 10. So 1 is the smallest factor of 10, then 2 5s are 10. So 2 and 5 will be the factor of 10, and as 10 doesn't appear in other numbers table, so the last factor will be 10. 1 10s are 10, so last factor will be 10. Similarly for 14, 1 14s are 14, so 1 and 14, and 2 7s are 14, so 2 and 7. So these are the factors of 14, out of which you can see that 1 and 2 are the common factors of 10 and 14, and out of 1 and 2, 2 is the greatest common factor. So in this way we have done question number 3. Question number 4, 8 and 12. So again we will write all the factors of 8. 1 8s are 8, so 1 and 8. 2 4s are 8, so 2 and 4. Similarly for 12, 1 12s are 12, so 1 and 12. 2 6 are 12, so 2 and 6. 3 4s are 12, so 3 and 4. So all these are the factors of 12. Now you can see that 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 8 and 12, and out of these common factors, 4 is the greatest common factor of 8 and 12. Let's move on to question number 5. 8 and 32. So let's write all the factors of 8. 1 8s are 8, so 1 and 8, and 2 4s are 8, so 2 and 4. These are the factors of 8. 8 doesn't appear in any other numbers table, so these are the factors of 8. Similarly for 32, 1 32s are 32, so 1 and 32. Then since 32 is an even number, when we will divide 32 by 2, we will get 16 as the quotient. So 2 and 16 will also be the factors of 32. 4 8s are 32. So 4 and 8 will also be the factors of 32. So in this way we have written all the factors of 8 and 32, out of which we can see that 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the common factors of both 8 and 32, out of which 8 is the greatest common factor. So let's move on to question number 6, 7 and 13. Now 7 and 13, both of them are prime numbers. So as we know that prime numbers have only two factors, one is 1 and the other one is the number itself. So the factors of 7 will be 1 and 7 and the factors of 13 will be 1 and 13, out of which we can see that 1 is the common factor of both 7 and 13, and since there is only one common factor, that common factor is the only greatest common factor. Question number 7, 18 and 21. Let's write all the factors of 18. So 1 18s are 18, so 1 and 18 will be the factor of 18. 2 9s are 18, so 2 and 9. 3 6 are 18, so 3 and 6. These are the factors of 18. Similarly, let's write all the factors of 21. So 1 21s are 21, so 1 and 21. 3 7s are 21, so 3 and 7. These are the factors of 21. Now here we can notice that 1 and 3 are the common factors of 18 and 21, out of which 3 is the greatest common factor. So in this way we have solved question number 7. Now question number 8, 15 and 35. Let's write all the factors of 15 and 35. Now first we will write the factors of 15. 1 15s are 15, so 1 and 15. 3 5s are 15, so 3 and 5 will also be the factors of 15. Now for 35, 1 35s are 35, so 1 and 35. 5 7s are 35, so 5 and 7 will also be the factors of 35. Now you can see that 1 and 5 are the common factors of 15 and 35, out of which 5 is the greatest common factor. So in this way we have solved exercise 7.3. Hope how to find factors, common factors and greatest common factor for the given set of numbers is clear to all of you. In case of any doubt, you can write the same in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. All the best.